Imagine this for a moment. You're cruising down a quiet mountain highway, the sun dipping low behind you, and the only sound inside your cabin is a gentle hum of the road. But you're not in an ordinary truck. You're sitting inside one of the most futuristic living machines Chevrolet has ever built. A motorhome that doesn't just take you from point A to point B. It becomes your home, your comfort zone, and your freedom, all wrapped into one powerful 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck. Today, we're diving deep into a machine designed for the modern traveler. Someone who wants the power of a truck, the luxury of a premium RV, and the lifestyle of full-time freedom. So sit back, relax, and imagine yourself inside the Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 2026. Luxury, space, and power beyond imagination. The moment you first see the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck, one thing becomes instantly clear. This isn't a regular camper. It's a commanding presence on wheels. Chevrolet has taken their rugged truck platform and merged it seamlessly with a beautifully sculpted motorhome cabin. The design feels bold, powerful, and premium. Sharp LED headlights, a wide muscular grille, and an elevated stance that tells you it's ready for highways, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. Move to the side and you notice the aerodynamically curved body, sleek edges, flush windows, and integrated storage panels that keep the entire structure smooth. No messy lines, no bulky add-ons, just a clean, modern aesthetic that looks like it was molded from a single piece. You also get high ground clearance for off-grid terrain, heavy-duty all-terrain tires, a wide dual-step entry for easy access, an optional electric awning with LED strip lighting, and rear tow capacity for additional trailers or toys. It's rugged where it needs to be, and elegant everywhere else. But the magic truly begins when you step inside. The moment you open the door and walk in, you instantly forget that you're inside a truck. Instead, you're welcomed into something that feels like a modern studio apartment. The living area is designed with warm colors, soft LED lighting, and premium materials that create a calm, inviting atmosphere. The first thing that catches your eye is the spaciousness. Chevrolet has maximized every inch to feel open and airy. Right at the entrance, you're greeted by a large sofa lounge with plush cushions. It can seat a small family comfortably and even converts into an additional bed for guests. The panoramic side windows flood the space with natural light during the day, and at night, they give you breathtaking views of the stars. Across the lounge area is your smart entertainment panel, a 32-inch TV, Bluetooth surround sound, and an easy-to-reach control center that manages lighting, temperature, and battery systems. The truck feeling ends the moment you take in this room. This is pure 2026 luxury living. Move forward, and you enter a kitchen that looks surprisingly spacious for a motorhome this size. Chevrolet designed it for real cooking, not just making quick snacks. You get a deep stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a built-in convection microwave oven, a compact but premium 12V refrigerator, and smooth-closed cabinets for plates, spices, and food storage. The countertops have a matte-finished stone look, and they are durable enough to handle daily use. There's also under-cabinet strip lighting that creates a classy evening glow. Whether you're preparing a simple breakfast or a full meal after a long day on the road, this kitchen feels more like something you'd find in a small apartment rather than inside a truck camper. Next to the kitchen is a compact, foldable dining setup, ideal for 2 people, and it can easily convert into a mini workspace. It's perfect for digital nomads, remote workers, or anyone who likes editing road trip footage while sipping hot coffee. The 2026 model includes additional USB-C ports, a 120V outlet, and a soft overhead light that makes late-night work sessions calm and focused. It's small, but incredibly functional. Move toward the rear, and you step into the bedroom, and this is where Chevrolet really surprises you. The motorhome truck comes with a full-size bed crafted with a premium Memoryfoam mattress. The side windows bring in airflow, and the ceiling LED lights create a peaceful environment at night. You also get overhead cabinets for clothes, a small wardrobe space, bedside USB charging, and soft fabric accents for an extra cozy feel. It's minimalist, warm, and designed to feel like home. And yes, you get a fully enclosed bathroom, something not many compact motorhome trucks manage to include without sacrificing space. Inside, you'll find a separate shower enclosure with a skylight, a flush toilet, a small vanity with storage, a hot water system, and a vent fan for airflow. It's compact, but it doesn't feel cramped. The skylight adds vertical space, and the bright walls make the whole area feel open. For a truck-based motorhome, this bathroom is one of its standout highlights. Now step into the front cabin, and you're back in the world of Chevrolet power and technology. The 2026 model includes a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated captain seats, a digital instrument cluster, adaptive cruise control, and lane assist with advanced safety monitoring. And under the hood, depending on the configuration, you get Chevrolet's latest V8 powertrain or an advanced diesel option designed for torque-heavy travel. Perfect for towing, climbing, and long highway journeys. The ride feels planted, stable, and confident, more like a luxury pickup than a motorhome. 4 long journeys, storage matters, and Chevrolet has you covered with exterior lockable gear compartments, underbed storage, overhead interior cabinets, fresh water, gray water, and black water tanks, an optional solar panel setup, and a large onboard battery for off-grid nights. Everything is designed for hassle-free travel, whether you're camping at a lakeside spot or staying off-grid in the mountain for days. So what makes the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck truly stand out from others in this segment? First, you get the power of a truck combined with the luxury of an RV. Most compact motorhome trucks sacrifice one for the other, but this one doesn't. You get real truck performance and real motorhome comfort. Second, the interior layout feels far more spacious than its footprint suggests, thanks to clever engineering. Third, the fit and finish are premium, with soft lighting, modern textures, and a calm color palette that makes it feel like a high-end studio apartment. Fourth, it's fully off-grid ready, with solar options, all-terrain capability, and efficient power management that gives you true independence. And finally, it's designed for modern travelers. From USB-C charging to smart controls, everything is built for the digital lifestyle. It's not just a camper. It's a travel companion.